Presentation. First of all, good night. My name is Juan Jose González Morales. I am currently 23 years old. I am studying the telecommunication engineering program, and I want to tell to you about my last vacation. Going on a train. Last vacation, I went to Santa Marta. I stayed there for 4 days and went with my wife and sons. I lived because there were a lot of the place to visit. For example, I went to the park of Tayrona, to the aquarium, to Buritaca, to the port maritime, and some main place, and I liked it a lot. I came back 2 months ago because I started working and made some back to school. Stay to the Wiran Santa Marta. The climate of Santa Marta is delicious. It is quick, sun, and fresh. In the morning, it is usually very hot, and in the evening, it is very weak, just like at night. Recommend using fresh clothes of the thin fabric and a lot sun. I recommend visit the tourist place of Santa Marta. Stay trip. What should you do? You should check that the all my papers are up to date. You will consider everything you need on the trip. You have been at the airport or before. You should carry this that are not anywhere in the place. You want the electric to make flick. You had better not carry things that delay my arrival. Thank you.